All right, hey, we're here at NAMM with the Everything Saxophone podcast with Chika Inoue.
Hi, I'm Chika.
All right, great. So we're at the Key Leaves booth here, and I know Chika from Rulon Brown from Key Leaves. In fact, she's holding her Key Leaves right now. And by the way, what do you think of the Key Leaves? What attracted you to this product?
Yeah, so the fact that Key Leaves opens up the keys of the saxophone lets the saxophone dry up, and when it's in the case, it's actually really great when it's in the case so that it'll dry up and it'll keep the keypads last longer.
Have you ever had a situation where your G-sharp key was sticking?
Oh, definitely.
And do you feel that this has stopped?
Oh, this is definitely stopped my G-sharp.
Yeah, I think it's such an amazing product, and I'm just, so happy that Key Leaves is sponsoring the Everything Saxophone podcast here at NAMM at the NAMM Hang. So Chika plays with the Los Angeles Philharmonic, and she plays all over the place. You want to tell us a little bit about what you do?
Sure. I mainly play classical saxophone, and I have a piano and saxophone duet. I also arrange music originally from a violin or cello pieces to saxophone. I also have a guitar and saxophone duo called Chika and Scott. We were just in Spain this past summer for 3 weeks, and we took some videos in 3 locations, one in Granada, one in Mallorca, it's an island, it's a beautiful island, and also in an area called Catalonia, which we went to Barcelona and also a city named Girona. So yeah, that was a really fun touring trip for us. And I also play with orchestras. I will be playing with the Brooklyn Metro Chamber Orchestra in New York, playing Glazunov, Concerto, and Mio's Creation of the Moon. So yeah, a lot of really cool things happening with classical saxophone. I'm so excited.
Let me ask you something. What do you prefer more? Do you prefer more playing the solos, or do you prefer more playing in an orchestral setting, in the orchestra?
I like both, as long as I'm playing. I love playing saxophone, so I'm really fortunate that I can make a career out of playing music. And
another question too, so you play duos, you play with the piano, you also play with the guitar. The guitar duo is very interesting. So how do you, that's a different approach, I would think, in terms of, not only arranging, but also performance. Could you talk about that a little bit? How do you approach that differently?
Yeah, so first of all, to play with the guitar is very difficult because of the sound differences. Saxophone is obviously a loud instrument, and guitar is relatively quiet unless it's amplified. So we found a great amplifying microphone, an amp that can enhance the guitar sound. And when we perform, we use the amps. And we also have a difficulty finding a repertoire for our classical saxophone and guitar duo. So we do a lot of arranging ourselves. We in fact did our first recording at Capitol Records in Hollywood. And we did all the arrangements of Mozart and Schubert music.
Wow. Now, I read an article, I think it was on the Van Doren site, because you're a Van Doren artist,
right.
And they were talking about how you have these duos and how you like to rearrange some of the old classics because you want people to know more about the saxophone in terms of the classical music and stuff like that. Can you talk a little bit more about what led you to that decision?
Yeah, so I was originally a classical pianist. And I switched over to the saxophone when I came to the United States when I was about 12 or 13, and I wanted to join the marching band. I picked up the saxophone then, and to me, jazz really didn't connect with my instrument, this instrument, because I never played jazz. So it was so natural for me to go into classical saxophone, and I found out, I went into a whole rabbit hole of finding a repertoire for this instrument, as well as the beautiful tones and the colors that this instrument can produce that it seems like not a lot of people know about. And I feel that this instrument has to be heard in the classical setting. So.
I like the way you said the beautiful tones and the colors. You know, often we say that the saxophone emulates the human voice, but most people, like you're saying, they know that human voice in terms of jazz music, and just bringing that out in the classical world. Have you, I know you probably are playing new works and stuff like that. Are there any new projects on the horizon coming up for 2020?
2020, yeah, I'm actually going to a lot of places this first half of 2020. I'll be going to Ohio and also Pittsburgh area. I'm also really interested in education as well, so educational aspect of saxophone playing. So I'll be going to colleges and schools to talk about saxophone and what it is to be a classical saxophonist and do master classes. So that's one. I'll be going to New York. I'm also going to Mallorca, going back to Mallorca again for the saxophone festival that's happening over there. So, and I'm originally from Japan, so I go back and forth between Los Angeles and Japan.
Oh wow!
So I actually just came back yesterday.
Oh, God, and you're not jet lagged. I can't believe it.
Yeah. So some projects happening over there as well. So.
Wow, okay, it sounds like you're incredibly busy. And again, I appreciate your time. We're at NAMM. NAMM's all about equipment. I hate to say it, it is. But can you talk about, you know, what equipment you use to play?
Sure. So I have Conn-Selmer Paris Series 3 with Dendoran, currently AL5 mouthpiece with MO pink gold ligature. With like the traditional Dendoran 3, size 3 reed. And you were asking what this device was. It's called the Lefreak. It's a company based in Netherlands, and they're doing a great job. But what it does is it equalizes the tone. It also puts the tone in center a little bit more. And currently I'm using a pink gold. So they have different types of metals, from brass to gold. I was actually putting Hans, who's with the company, he has a 24 karat gold Lefreak on, and I tried it, and that was amazing.
How is it different? Like, for example, like the note D, you know, can be very stuffy.
Yeah.
Or, you know, the note E can be very sharp.
Sure.
Does that help with intonation?
Oh yeah, it definitely helps with intonation. It also deepens and also projects the sound better.
Wow.
Yeah, and if you if a lot of people use this within an ensemble, for example, in wind ensemble or in saxophone quartet, the sound sort of harmonizes better.
Blends better?
Blends better, thank you. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I'm seeing something new here myself. So this is really cool. This is
the free
little education here too.
Yeah.
And it's out of the picture, but she also has a Wiseman case, and the Wiseman case has a soprano and an alto in there. You want to talk about why you chose Wiseman for the case?
Yeah. So I travel a lot. And for many years, I traveled with alto saxophone and soprano saxophone and that was just too much for me.
Yeah.
And I was looking for a case that I can travel with on the airplane, and I don't have to check it in. That's terrifying. So and I came across this case. It works really well.
Right?
It's very protective, and the size is much more compact than you think. It almost looks like an alto case.
I know, it's crazy. It looks like a bullet or
right.
something like that. We've got it off to the side, but I've seen it with other people. I know people that play tenor, so they had a triple case. They had a tenor, alto, and soprano in there, which is crazy.
They can also put flute and then clarinet if they want to.
Crazy. We've got to solve the airline issue, folks. This is one of the ways to do it.
Yeah.
Well, the cool thing is that Chika's going to be performing here in a couple of minutes, so we're really looking forward to that. But I wanted to thank you so much for your time. It's so nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.